Hello, Mr. Evan Batten. You're here for your interview, correct?
Yes, I am.
Before we begin, can I get you anything? Water, maybe coffee? I'm pretty sure we got some cookies and donuts in the back if you want me to go grab them. That's not too much effort for me. Just let me know at any point during the interview if you want those. Oh, thank you very much. I think I'm fine for food though. I did eat on my way here, so I wouldn't want to steal from your private store of cookies and donuts. If I could get that water though, that'd actually be really nice. Oh, thank you very much. I'll just put this down, and hopefully I don't forget it's here for the rest of the interview. Okay, I just have to ask you a few questions. To start off, what is your past work experience and how has it helped prepare you for future positions? The three most recent jobs I had were working as sales for a small company called Ocean Odyssey Inland. I worked as a cashier at Chapters, and most recently I worked as a telecommunications technician at a local company called Sunco. Of these, the first two really helped me talk to people and just be more open. And then the third and the most recent one, Sunco, it really helped me learn on the fly and think on my feet because I was often thrown into scenarios where I had no experience in the work or previous training and I was still expected to just get the job done. That's interesting. Do you have any specific examples? Sure. Yeah. Over the summer, Sunco took on a new position. They were the main contractor for Bell and the type of work that we did. And this meant that my bosses, none of my coworkers, none of them had had previous experience or really all that much training in the field. So I would come into the office in the morning and I would get my work order. And it would say there's an emergency out in Cold Lake, say, and I would drive out there. I would call tech support, and I would stay there until the job got done. So a lot of times I was learning new things as it was happening, and I was put into uncomfortable scenarios. So that's really what I learned from that, is how to deal with those scenarios. Okay, my next question is, what do you do in your spare time? Well, I'm currently pretty busy with school, but I do like to stay active, so for the last month and a bit I was playing flag football. The season's over now, but I was doing that, and then I also do ice hockey, and I like to work out when I have the time. I'm also part of a couple clubs on campus, which keep me busy in various other ways during my other times. Oh, such as? Yeah, it's mostly like volunteer and philanthropy work that keeps me busy. But in my fraternity, I'm also the brotherhood chair, which means that all the events that happen within the fraternity I organize. Do you feel that any of these have had a lasting impact on you, and in what way? Oh, absolutely. Sports in general has given me the drive to get things done to the best of my abilities, and also experience with the team environment. And also the other clubs have, just because I'm involved in like so many things, I've gotten fairly good at time management and making sure things get done on time. Have you got any scholarships recently? Yes, actually. Last year I got the U of A Academic Excellence Award and also the Rutherford Scholarship, and this year I am being considered for the Jason Lang Scholarship. Do you have your driver's license? Yes. Car? Yes. Lastly, do you have any other certifications? First aid, for example. I'm technically not first aid certified, but I do have my Bronze Cross, which is first aid for drowning victims. It's one of the first steps to becoming a lifeguard. I also have taken and passed the CSTS training course, and I'm certified as a Panasonic phone installer. Thank you very much, Evan, and someone will let you know via email very shortly whether or not you got the position. Thank you very much for the interview. I hope to see you soon.